guys, and welcome back to another video. If you like my zone cleaning videos, please give this a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And as you can tell, we are zone cleaning in the kitchen today. It is week 2, which consists of October the 5th through the 9th. And so today I am cleaning out the pantry. It is Monday, October the 5th. And on the first day of the week, I clean out the pantry. I did take my time this time to reorganize the pantry. As you can see to the left, it was just all discombobulated. Stuff was everywhere. It looked a hot mess. So I did take a little extra time. I did go a little bit over my 30 minutes because I just wanted to make sure everything was just organized and more efficient. I'm just tired of stuff just being everywhere. Now, the thing about it is it won't stay this way because, of course, my kids just won't let me be great. But when I got through, it looked really, really well. But unfortunately, like I said, my kids won't let me be great, and it probably won't look like this 2 days later. But anywho, it looked good today. So I'm just going to continue just cleaning out and putting everything together and organizing it a little bit more efficient.
Adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Okay, moving on to Tuesday, I am cleaning out my refrigerator. You guys know I love to clean out my refrigerator on Tuesdays and get rid of any old food or expired food because the garbage man comes Wednesday, and therefore I don't have to keep it in my house too long before taking it to the garbage can. So that's why I love to clean my refrigerator on Tuesdays, because if you ever had bad food in your house, you know it will stink up your whole house, and we don't have time for that. So I just make sure I do it right before the garbage man comes so I can take it down to the curb and get it thrown away as soon as possible. If it's your first time clicking on my video today, I wanted to say thank you. My name is Kiosha and I'm a single mom of 2 children. On this channel, I make videos that everyday people can relate to. I make videos about DIY home renovations, fashion, budgeting, hair, cleaning, cooking, and vlogs. Basically anything that pertains to everyday life. If you're a returning subscriber, you guys know I love you and I appreciate your support so much. Also on Tuesdays, I go ahead and try to deep clean my stove. My stove is a older stove. It did come with the home, and the home is probably about 21 years old. So there's only so much cleaning you can do. So I get it as clean as possible as I can. It is a white stove. Like I said, a lot of my appliances need to be upgraded, and I just can't wait. But unfortunately, I can't do it right now. So you have to keep everything that you have as clean as possible. So I'll try to get as much of the stuck on, deep on crime off of the top, and then I'll go to the inside of the stove. But like I said, it's only going to come so clean. But hey, you still have to clean it nonetheless.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If you two knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between.
Alright, you guys, it's Wednesday. Happy hump day. So today I am cleaning my top cabinets. Sometimes I do go in there and reorganize things. I did see that my top cabinet wasn't as functional as I would like it to be, so I went ahead and just reorganize some items, switch some things around. Sometimes I feel that I have to do that, and if I do, I'll take a little bit more than the 30 minutes that I take to clean every day when it comes to deep cleaning, and I really don't mind it, especially if my cabinets can be a little bit more functional and just look a lot aesthetically pleasing as possible. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm just going and taking some things off the cabinet and rearranging them where they need to be.
That's facts, facts, facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love, and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes me happy. And if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Between me and you. We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be.
Also on this day, I go ahead and clean my windows. I clean the microwave, my toaster, and my toaster oven, because as you know, don't forget that you have to clean those small appliances as well, because all that dirt and grime will get in those as well, and then you'll be scrubbing for days. Believe me, I know the first time I did this, I swear I had to scrub all of those items a couple of days in a row to get them as shiny and as clean as they are now, and I don't ever want to have to do that again. So I make it a priority of mine on this day as well to get those cleaned too. Okay, you guys, so we made it to Thursday, and on Thursdays we do the bottom cabinets and we sweep and mop the kitchen. So on this Thursday, I actually had to go into work. My job is starting to transition us back to working in the office, and I currently work 1 day a week on Thursday. So this was after I got off work. In this video, you will not see me sweep, and the reason being is because I have a Roomba, and every day it sweeps the house at 4:30, so I just made sure that I didn't do this project until after it got through running its sweeping cycle. So you'll just see me going from cleaning the bottom cabinets to straight up mopping with my mop. That way I didn't have to sweep. So I really love my Roomba because it saves me a lot of time. It actually gets the floors pretty clean, so I like to walk around barefoot and I don't like to walk on crumbs and things. So it has really been a lifesaver because I used to have to sweep every day before I got that.
Just be my parachute. Oh, why don't you help me?
Yay, we made it to Friday, and unfortunately I have to clean another bathroom. You guys know I hate cleaning bathrooms, but the good thing about it is that the bathroom in here is really small, so it doesn't take me as long as it does to clean my own bathroom. So like any other bathroom, you know, you're going to clean the tub, the toilet, the sink, and you're going to sweep and mop the floors and clean the doors and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do.
You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long do we have to put up with this lonely charade?
That's going to be it for today's video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you feel like this video can help motivate or inspire anyone you know, I appreciate it if you would share it. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.